flatbread. Thanks. Shouldn't have said thanks. Okay, do it again.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm James Golding from the Pig Hotels, and today I'm going to cook one of our flatbreads. I'm going to put some of our pinch salt coppa, some beautiful homemade passata, some Isle of Wight soft blue cheese, and we're going to finish that with a Cavolo Nero Salsa Verde. Okay, so first of all we're going to make our Salsa Verde. Cavolo Nero grows in our walled kitchen garden at all of our hotels. This was picked fresh this morning, and the first job is just to take off the outer part of the leaf. Once Cavolo Nero is all prepped, we're going to plunge it in some boiling water. It's very important when you're blanching the Cavolo that you have nice seasoned water. 5 seconds in the boiling water, straight out into the iced water. You don't want to squeeze them hard so you bruise them, you're just gently squeezing out the excess water. So with a nice sharp knife, just going to chop. We're going to take our microplane, about 1/4 of a garlic clove on top of the Cavolo Nero. We're also going to add in some lemon zest. Then we have our Liburn Old Winchester cheese, a bit like a cross between a cheddar and a parmesan. So we're just going to microplane probably about half of what you saw there. Black pepper, pinch of salt, and last but not least, the glue to all of this, cold pressed rapeseed oil, I think 5 tablespoons. Going to dust surface with your flour. Come on, you know you want to. So just going to open up this dough, get a little bit of flour on it. At the Pig we don't actually do round pizzas, we're going to be doing a flatbread today, which is slightly more oblong in its shape. We're going to use our trusty rolling pin. The idea is that you've got enough space to get all the toppings on, so take it a little bit further than the size that you want it. Then we're going to lift it up, flip it over. To begin with, we've got a little bit of our passata. So this is some of our tomatoes that we've grown, some of our oregano from the garden, a little bit of rapeseed oil, a bit of salt. We're going to be putting some of a pinch of salt coppa on top. So this is a salumi that's made from our pigs at the Pig by a pinch of salt, which is a local charcuterie company based in the New Forest. A small amount on now, and we're going to put a little bit more on afterwards. As well, we're going to be adding some Isle of Wight soft. This is a soft blue cheese, a bit like a sort of camembert, produced on the Isle of Wight. I do like to put a little drizzle of oil just around the crust of the flatbread, and that helps it to colour up once it goes into the Roccbox. Always important to lightly flour your pizza peel, and this stops any unexpected topping sliding off the flatbread onto the base of the Roccbox when you add it in. So as you can see, it's not cooked yet, but we're just going to give it a little spin round while it's in there, just so you get a lovely even cook. So out it comes, another little spin. A bit more of the coppa, a little bit of the lemon juice, and then finishing with our Salsa Verde. Garnishing with some beautiful Dorset red watercress, which adds a fantastic pepperiness. So that's our Hampshire coppa with Isle of Wight soft, Cavolo Nero Salsa Verde, and red watercress flatbread. This is the best bit. So let's give it a go. Delicious. I mean, the coppa works so well with the Salsa Verde, and then that watercress just cuts through the whole lot. Beautiful.